Hi there, we're back. We had camera problems. So that first little portion, that first segment, showed you the actual unboxing of the engine and telling you about what had happened with that, how it was broken. And anyway, the guy was nice enough to refund uh, a large portion of my money on the set and told me just to keep the set. And he was real congenial about it. And uh, actually, after having talked to him and so forth and so on, he is an individual that I would even probably recommend if you buy anything from him, that he'll stand behind it. Um, these cars, which you missed the actual unwrapping because I thought the video was running and it was not. As I said, it was a double car set. And these are the cars that came with it. And cars themselves are in, the bodies are not in too bad a shape. The shells, um, they are rusted. However, you can see that this whole set is set in water. Actually, it has water damage. That's a little more than just sitting poorly in a bad storage place. And they're set in water. The water didn't drip on top of them. It wasn't moisture damage. This car's got a little ding in it. But overall, the car bodies themselves are pretty decent. This is car here has a little rust, rusted wheels, and a little rust on the sides. Wasn't in the same positioning as all of the rest of them. So we had a lot of rust there that wasn't actually shown in the pictures or even mentioned, for that matter. This car is damaged on the end of the roof here, and we got a dent and some rust, and we'll be able to straighten most of that out and make it look good again. What I like about the bodies is they're not all badly scratched up, and actually overall they're in pretty decent condition except for the rust on the wheels and trucks. The two tenders, as I had showed earlier, are rusted also. And one has both trucks and the other only has one truck. The engine had the most damage. The broken window. And just saw that there's also a piece broken out of this dome. And of course the broken smokestack that was not shown in the description or the pictures. And this was broken in the cowling. Corner of the roof. If you saw my previous videos, you know, on the Wm.Crooks, the one that I had built out of junk, where I took an old broken up Wm.Crooks shell that was not nearly as complete as this, and took an old battery operated train from the same type period, and took it and rebuilt it. And the video's still up. If you get a chance and you want to look at it, please feel free to do so. But I wanted a Wm.Crooks that was pretty much complete, and this is more complete than the other one was. I won't have to, we'll have to do some repairs, but I won't have to take two and make one, basically. Don't know if it runs or not. We're going to pause this video a minute, get the portable track out, and try to see if it will run. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Look at that, and that's with no oiling, rust and all. Like I said, when I first opened it, the motor was actually almost stuck. Wouldn't hardly move at all. And I worked with the wheels on it for a little while, and then put it back in the box. And you saw I just moved the wheels a few minutes ago. They were still stiff. And this is a smoker. They had some with smoke and some without smoke. I don't know whether you can see that or not. And once again, haven't oiled it, hadn't put anything in it. That's amazing. But that's Marx. Gotta love it. So anyway, we're going to take this and we're going to fix these stanchions in these windows, fix this corner on this roof, put this smokestack back on, clean these rails up, get them put in their proper place, fix this light. And I never even checked to see, this is wired, never checked to see if it's actually, let's turn it around this way. Not working. So we'll fix that light if we can. See if we can get it working. And get those cars cleaned up along in the process. And that'll be our project. That's all I had for you today, though. I just wanted to share that with you. The next video, the follow-up video, we'll take this engine and we'll start to work on it. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and happy rails until we meet